Magandang umaga po sa inyong lahat. Sana po ay lahat tayo ay nakatulog na mahimig kagabi at maganda ang nagigising natin ngayong umaga. Napakaaga pa po dito ngayon, alas 4 ng madaling araw. At dahil kahit anumang pilit ang gusto kong tumulog muli ay hindi ako makatulog, kaya nagawa na lamang ako nitong voice over dito sa aking video. Muli at muli po ay inuulit ko ang walang katapusan kong pasasalamat sa inyong lahat na patuloy na sumusuporta dito sa aking channel. The question is, which is more risky, traveling at night or traveling by day? Researchers have long recognized that night travel is far more dangerous than daytime travel for motor vehicle drivers and non-motorists. Why is night driving more difficult? Nighttime driving limits visibility due to lower light levels, making it harder to see road signs, pedestrians, and other vehicles. Glare from oncoming traffic, bright headlights from oncoming vehicles can cause temporary blindness or discomfort, making it difficult to see the road ahead. There are also advantages of daytime driving. Natural daylight provides the best visibility conditions for driving, making it easier to see the road, other vehicles, pedestrians, and road signs. In case of a breakdown or emergency, more services and help are readily available during the day. However, daytime, especially morning and evening rush hours, often means heavier traffic, more vehicles on the road, increase the likelihood of congestion and accidents. Early morning and late afternoon driving can be hazardous due to sun glare, which can significantly reduce visibility. There are also, of course, advantages of night driving. Roads are generally less congested at night, which can make for a smoother and faster drive for those comfortable with nighttime driving conditions. For long drives, especially in warmer climates, cooler night temperatures can make the journey more pleasant. In whatever time we are planning to drive, the best way is to always take care of everything. See to it that the car is always in perfect shape. And of course, the one who is going to drive should be focused. Muli po ay salamat sa tiyaga sa panonood sa aking channel. Maraming salamat po sa suporta na patuloy niyo binibigay sa akin. Lahat po ng inyong mga tulong ay lubos na nakakapagpalakas ng loob sa akin para ipagpatuloy ko ang paggagawa ng mga videos para dito sa aking channel. Sobrang salamat po sa inyong lahat. Magandang umaga po.